In today's video, I will walk you through how to create glowing neon text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Start by right-clicking on your text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. After that, go to Layer Style and select Blending Options. Turn on Inner Glow and follow these settings. Change the blending mode to Hard Light and set the opacity to 35%. Set the size to 7%, then change the color to 0000FF. Next, click on Contour and adjust the settings. Set the input to 48% and the output to 62%. Now enable Outer Glow, change the blending mode to Linear Dodge Add and set the opacity to 80%. Change the color to 0054F and set the size to 35%. Then click on the Contour section here and follow the same settings shown on screen. Once you finish, press OK. Now duplicate the text layer by pressing Ctrl-J, drag the duplicated layer down, right-click on it, and choose Blending Options. Remove the inner glow effect from this duplicated layer. Next, add a stroke and follow the settings shown on screen. Change the position to Inside. After that, go to Outer Glow and increase the size to 250 pixels. Once you finish, press OK. Now remove the inner glow again by right-clicking on the layer and choosing Blending Options. This time, add a drop shadow and follow the settings shown on screen. When you finish adjusting everything, press OK. At this point, the glowing neon text effect is complete. You can also add a line and copy the same layer style, then paste it onto the new layer that you created so it matches the same neon effect. Here is the before and here's the after. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and hit the like button.